Oh, hey, what's up? Welcome back to God's Survival. Today we're in my bathroom. Well, not my bathroom, but be a lot bigger. Today we are working on this basket behind me. Right there, yeah. It is for my daughter and her mini growing bath toys. Right now we have some in this little cup. And she has some down there. A couple balls and ducks and whatnot. Well, I just don't like it. There's no water dripping through. There's no air getting through, moisture, and whatever else can get there can not breathing. And I don't like it. So, that being said, right behind me, that basket, I'm gonna drill some holes through it. Yeah, this basket right here, I'm gonna drill some holes through it so let the water drip out. Now on our shower curtain here we have shower rods and hooks that can hang on the inside. I have hooks on both sides there. It's not made for this basket, but I'm going to use it for multi-purpose. Just like I said in multiple videos, everything is almost multi-purpose. So, sorry for this. I just drilled the holes out. See you. Normally I would have my wife help me, but she is entertaining our sick daughter right now. So I have a tripod. It's just a little hard to deal with this phone. So anyway, I drilled the holes out. Let's see how this works. Where are you at? Ah, there you go. There are many growing bath toys in there. You get the idea. Water's not staying in there. Mold shouldn't collect. What do you think? Sorry, I just shaved and it's a little itchy. I like it. Let's hang it. That's right, I'm taking it in my tub. Alright. Now I see these hooks up here. Come on. These slotted holes up here. Give me a sec. Alright. Got it up. Now if I'm correct, get it over there like that. Close it. It's still there. Awesome. Now the water will drip off into the tub there, and all the air and moisture should not get to it. There should be no mold. Not that having mold. Sorry. I shouldn't. There is no mold. There is no mold. I can't repeat that enough. There is no mold. But I'm trying to prevent it. We used to live at an apartment that had mold, and try to think of ways to prevent it. This is our house. We're trying to prevent that. But try to keep our little girls more healthier. Unfortunately, she's sick right now. So there you go. Bath toys are in there with holes. Catch you later.